Hey foodies, want to upgrade your kitchen game instantly? Meet the Circle Joy Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Let me show you why this is a must-have for every kitchen. First, automatic operation, no more twisting or button pressing. Just flip the grinder and watch it work its magic. One-handed seasoning means you can multitask while cooking. Perfect for busy home cooks, BBQ lovers, and restaurant staff. Second, customizable coarseness for perfect seasoning every time. Easily adjust the grind from fine to coarse in seconds. Get the exact texture you want for salt, pepper, or spices. The ceramic grinding core keeps flavors fresh and pure. Professional chefs and home cooks will love this precision. Third, built-in bright LED light for total control. The LED turns on automatically when you use the grinder. Never overseason your food, even in low-light conditions. Perfect for outdoor BBQs, candlelit dinners, or busy kitchens. Large 135 ml capacity means fewer refills and more convenience. Sleek, modern design fits any kitchen style beautifully. Easy-to-clean washable container keeps things hygienic. Twist-off battery compartment for quick battery changes. Only needs 4 30-watt batteries, saving you money and hassle. Gravity sensor technology makes seasoning effortless and fun. No more messy hands or complicated controls, just flip and grind. Ideal for restaurant staff needing speed and consistency. BBQ enthusiasts will love the convenience for outdoor grilling. Home cooks can season dishes with one hand while stirring. Upgrade your spice game with customizable coarseness settings. Enjoy freshly ground spices that enhance every meal. LED light ensures you see exactly how much you're adding. Never guess your seasoning amount again. Total precision. Perfect for steaks, salads, soups, and more. Effortless seasoning makes cooking more enjoyable. Impress guests with modern kitchen gadgets that work. Gravity-activated design is a conversation starter at parties. Professional chefs appreciate the reliability and efficiency. Large capacity means less time refilling, more time cooking. Washable container keeps your spices fresh and your kitchen clean. LED light is a game changer for nighttime cooking. No more fumbling for the right amount of seasoning. Battery operated for cordless convenience anywhere you cook. Upgrade your kitchen tools with this sleek, modern grinder set. Perfect gift for foodies, chefs, and BBQ fans. Reliable after-sales service with 1-year warranty included. 60-day satisfaction guarantee. Try it risk-free. If you have any issues, just email for quick support. Enjoy peace of mind with top-notch customer care. Transform your cooking experience with effortless grinding. Get the perfect grind for every dish, every time. No more manual grinding. Let technology do the work. Save time and energy with automatic operation. Customize your seasoning for every recipe easily. LED light lets you season with confidence, day or night. Gravity sensor makes this grinder intuitive and fun. Large capacity means you're always ready for big meals. Modern design looks great on any countertop. Easy battery changes keep you grinding without interruption. Perfect for family dinners, parties, and professional kitchens. Take control of your seasoning with adjustable coarseness. Enjoy fresher, tastier meals with freshly ground spices. One-handed operation frees up your other hand for cooking. LED light ensures you never overseason your food. Gravity activation makes seasoning effortless and precise. Upgrade your kitchen with this innovative grinder set. Impress friends and family with your cooking skills. Say goodbye to old manual grinders forever. Ready to take your seasoning to the next level? Click the link to order your Circle Joy grinder set now. Don't miss out on effortless, precise seasoning every day. Join thousands of happy cooks who love this grinder set. Upgrade your kitchen today and experience the difference. Product link in the description.